Hello YouTube, in this video I will be fixing my own flat tire, and you can also do it yourself by watching this video. It is very easy. I'm not going to be removing the tire, I'll just make it as easy as possible. The things that you'll need for this are the plug kit and a couple of pliers to remove the nail and soapy water. These are the two main tools you'll be using. The one on the left is a needle. The one on the right is called a rasp tool. These are the plugs you'll be using. You'll need one, and you'll go ahead and you'll try to insert the plug into the needle. Try to leave it halfway so that is the same length on both sides. Now you can go ahead and apply a few coats of the rubber cement. Once you have located the nail or the screw, you can go ahead and remove that with the pliers. Try to pull it out as straight as possible. Now you'll grab your rasp tool and rub the hole up and down multiple times. Remember that it's going to be a bit challenging, not only because you're fighting against the air resistance and the weight of the truck, but also you're widening the hole, you're making it bigger. Now you'll grab your plug and insert the plug almost halfway, past halfway, so that you have a part of the plug outside the tire. Remember, it's going to feel hard because you're widening the hole. Okay, so now you can pull the tool, pull it out as fast as possible and as straight as possible. And now you can go ahead and cut the excess material at the tire tread level. Now you can go ahead and inflate the tire at the recommended tire pressure. For this truck it is 35 pounds. If you need more air, just add more air, and if you have more air, deflate the tire at the proper tire pressure. You can find this on your manual. Now you'll need your soapy water, and you're going to apply the soapy water on the plug, and you'll check for bubbles. If you see bubbles, it means that the plug is leaking air. If you don't see any bubbles, it means that it's okay and it's going to hold up for a couple more miles or thousands of miles. Alright YouTube, that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram.